Hello guys, today I want to learn English by read this text. So stay tuned. Technology is a powerful tool that can help us in many ways. If we learn how to use it wisely, technology can become our assistant for good purposes. We can use it to study, search for knowledge, and communicate with people around the world. Technology can also help us improve our skills, from writing and reading to problem solving and creativity. Of course, we must use it with discipline and responsibility, avoiding negative habits. Remember, technology itself is natural. It depends on how we use it. With a positive mindset, technology can lead us to a better future. So, use it well.